Welcome back to Car Wow 787A, your trusted source for future mobility, cutting-edge innovations, and the coolest vehicles you've never seen before. If you're into electric rides, green tech, and one-of-a-kind designs from around the world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're taking a close look at something truly unique: the all-new 2026 Outback Camper Tricycle Rickshaw. It's part electric rickshaw, part camper, and all-out innovation. Whether you're a solo traveler, an eco-nomad, or just someone looking for a mobile micro-home, this three-wheeled wonder is made for you. Let's get into the full details. The first thing you'll notice is the design. It's compact but full of character. With an extended wheelbase and a tricycle setup, the Outback Camper Trike looks like it belongs both on city streets and off-the-grid trails. It features a lightweight yet strong aluminum chassis with composite body panels, designed for durability and efficient aerodynamics. Up front, you get a large windshield for excellent visibility, LED projector headlamps, and wide handlebars with motorcycle-style controls. The back is where the magic happens: a fully enclosed camper pod with sliding side doors, small ventilation windows, and even a pop-up roof option on higher trims. The Outback Trike is all-electric, powered by a 72-volt electric motor paired with a swappable lithium-ion battery. It produces around 6 to 8 kilowatts of power, giving it a top speed of 55 kilometers per hour, and a full charge range of up to 160 kilometers, depending on the load and terrain. It charges via a standard home plug or a public EV charger, and the optional solar panel roof adds extra power for longer journeys. Now, let's talk about the camper setup. Inside the rear pod, you'll find a smart, modular living space. There's a fold-out bed that sleeps 2 adults, a compact foldable table, overhead storage bins, interior LED lighting, and even USB charging ports powered by the auxiliary battery system. Some variants include a built-in fan and small refrigerator, both solar compatible. There's also space for your gear. The underbed compartment holds camping essentials, while the rear cargo tray can handle light luggage, groceries, or supplies. The roof rack is optional but great for surfboards, bikes, or even a solar tent setup. The dashboard features a digital display with speed, battery level, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Safety is boosted with features like regenerative braking, rear view camera, reverse assist, and front disc brakes. It's not just quirky, it's functional. And the best part? The price. The base model is expected to start around $7,499, while the fully equipped Solar Edition could go up to $9,999, making it one of the most affordable electric camper solutions in the world. So who's this made for? Think adventurers, food truck startups, ecotourists, solo travelers, digital nomads, or even delivery riders who want a rest stop on wheels. The 2026 Outback Camper Tricycle Rickshaw isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution for the modern explorer. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this out for a weekend getaway or even live in it full-time? Could this be the future of affordable, mobile living? Thanks for tuning in to your channel name. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates on electric vehicles, futuristic rides, and innovations you won't find anywhere else. Until next time, stay curious, drive electric, and explore the world your way.